everyone, Asalamualaikum. I hope you're all doing very well. Today's recipe is going to be a traditional Bangladeshi recipe and it is going to be Dali Bora. Firstly, I've got two types of lentils here and I'm going to be mashing this up with a blender. This is how mashed up the lentils should be. It should be nice and smooth. I'm now going to be adding in the following ingredients. So I'm going to be adding in some onions. I'm now adding in some fresh chilies. I'm also going to be adding in some fresh coriander. This gives a lovely taste and nice flavour. I'm now adding the spices, so I'm going to be adding in the turmeric powder. I'm now adding in some basin powder. And also I'll be adding in some salt. I'm going to give this all a good mix. I've now got some oil in a fry pan and make sure to warm up the oil beforehand. So now I'm adding in the mixture and I'm going to let that fry for about a good 3 to 4 minutes until it is nicely fried. Now make sure you give this a good mix. You can see that the colour has now become golden and now I'm going to be taking this out of the oil. Wow, my Dali Bora looks absolutely beautiful. I love how golden it looks and it also smells really nice. This is one of the most traditional Bangladeshi snacks to eat. And thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video has been useful and that you can all try this at home. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this. Allah Hafiz.